Enjoy the majesty of nature with We Bare Bears. There's trees, some water, a pond, or whatever. This cute thing. Oh, what's that?
Oh, yikes!
Maybe it would be better to just stay in and watch We Bare Bears. Weekdays at 4 p.m. and weeknights at 8 p.m. on Cartoon Network. Catch more Bear Bros on HBO Go.